before settling for it. Oh! Here we go!
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman!
Magnifico Magsayo! Gervonta Tank Davis!
Dahil sa dalang lakas at agresibong estilo,
Count happens early in the third. Mark Magsayo.
hindi nakataka-taka kung bakit si Magsayo ang napili ng mga Amerikano bilang katapat ni Gervonta Davis. Pagsapit ng taong 2025, mainit na pinag-uusapan sa mundo ng boxing ang posibleng paghaharap sa pagitan ng ating Pinoy Pride na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo na tubong Bohol at kasalukuyang naninirahan na sa Amerika. Kontra sa superstar at multi-division champion na si Gervonta Tank Davis, na kilala bilang alaga ni Floyd Mayweather. Taglay ni Davis ang kahanga-hangang record na 30 panalo, 8 talo at 28 knockout victories. Napakagandang pagkakataon ito para kay Magsayo. Kaya matindi ang paghahanda ang isinagawa ng kampo ni Magsayo matapos siyang italaga bilang kapalit ng WBA Super Featherweight Champion na si Lamont Roach kung sakaling hindi matuloy ang laban nito kontra kay Tank Davis na nakatakda ang laban sa Marso 1, 2025 sa Barclays Center, Brooklyn, New York. Orihinal itong itinakda noong Disyembre 14, 2024, ngunit nakansela ang laban. Ito ang pagkakataon ni Magsayo. Isang panalo ang maaaring magtulak sa kanya sa mas matinding kasikatan at maging isang tunay na boxing superstar. Si Mark Magsayo na may kartadang 28 panalo, 2 talo at 18 knockout.
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Count happens early in the third. Mark Magsayo.
Before settling for it. Oh! Here we go!
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman!
Ay isang dating WBC Featherweight World Champion at kasalukuyang mataas ang ranking sa iba't ibang sanctioning bodies. Number 2 sa WBC, number 3 sa WBO, number 4 sa IBF, number 5 sa WBA. Upang mas maunawaan natin kung bakit napili si Magsayo para itapat kay Davis, balikan natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa dating WBC World Champion na si Julio Ceja sa T-Mobile Arena, Las Vegas, Nevada. Sa labanang ito, bitbit ni Magsayo ang record na 22 panalo, 16 na knockout, habang si Ceja naman ay may 32 panalo, 22 knockout. Ang laban ay para sa WBC Eliminator. Pagbungad pa lang ng laban, agad nang nagpakawala ng matitinding suntok ang dalawang boksingero, parehong walang intensyong patagalin ang bakbakan.
Kano?
Isang solidong kaliwa mula kay Magsayo ang nagpatumba kay Ceja, ngunit agad itong bumangon at bumawi.
Subalit matigas din talaga ang mukha nitong si Ceja, mga brad. Sapagkat imbis na umatras,
And he is overwhelming because he... Next big superstar out of the was dropped and finished off by Heath. This is scheduled for 12. Double left. Uppercut. And if I were we got off with
Sa ikalawang round, agresibong umatake si Ceja upang makaganti sa pagkakabagsak niya.
right now. Sejas listening to what
Immediately, he's 15 of 25 for a 60%, just 9 of 31 for a 20. So Magsayo has nearly doubled. Magsayo is very quick. He's got. That was for a vacant IBF belt at 118. So there you go. Magsayo on the ropes. This is where another really all landing. And boxing sharp punches now and lost very close. That's 8 years ago. He's been through a lot.
Let's fight right now. He'll come in when he has to. But right now he's sharp, confident puncher.
Tries the right hand lead. Now on Magsayo.
Sa ikatlong round, isang matinding suntok sa katawan ang pinakawalan ni Ceja na nagbigay ng babala kay Magsayo.
Fast won a fight. He last captured a W back 2017. Magsayo on the opposite side. That's helped him get his knockdown. Back comes Ceja. Julio things like this will prune Magsayo.
You and me, Ryan. It's a linger shot, a trick, but some guys really
I like how lights you up and lets his hands go. Wow, that's impressive.
really like what Magsayo does. He's really good. He's physical.
Ceja now with his chance. Plenty of time left in this round. Does it there too. Lands with a hook.
Sa ikaapat na round, ilang counter punches ang tumama mula kay Magsayo. Ngunit hindi na tinag si Ceja at patuloy na binumba ng suntok ang katawan ng Pinoy.
But he's coming forward. I want to know, guys, do you think...
That same punch and it won't do anything, and then maybe the likes the case.
This is going to be a grueling matchup. An overhand right from Ceja. But back comes Sayo. Magsayo not looking to give up anything. Just took him down 3 times in the first round. Just breathe a little bit.
That's right.
Fires back up a good fight. So far, Magsayo showing the class.
Good leverage. Not getting flipped like that. 12-round fight. And Ceja keeps working that line.
He got that opening. He let it fly. But again, Ceja not a wide discrepancy. Obviously. Oh, they're both Ceja. Picked up the head of Magsayo. Magsayo fires back.
As the old saying goes, there's a lot of give and take.
Let it down. What a spirit this young man.
Sa ikalimang round, lalong dumami ang suntok ni Ceja sa katawan ni Magsayo, dahilan upang mahirapan ang ating pambato.
Pretty fast. He's got good hands. Quick left hook by Magsayo.
So he found something that works for. He's going.
Yeah, he gave him a little taste.
Naging dahilan ng pagkabagsak nito.
Not here to get paid by the round. Magsayo in his last fight is when he lost.
6 on 3 cards. Just a barn burner every couple of years.
Intended to a few more pounds apart.
Under 5. By the way, we're going to hear. Able to rebound nicely after getting knocked down the footage of the fight. There's 80 seconds remaining.
Sa lakas ng mga tira, bumagsak si Magsayo, ngunit agad itong bumangon kahit halatang nasaktan.
Under Joe Goose, Mark Magsayo recover because his body looked forward to that November 6th. #1 in the world, Canelo. I like what you find out what you are in. That backed up Seha momentarily. Team body shots in the round. Oh, tempo. And now I believe there is a cut on the point of the 6th round. Left for Magsayo.
This round, Joe looked like a future world champ. Now he's getting tossed it up. I'll tell you, he landed Seha 19 body shots now. Oh, good. Magsayo's number defensively, he's protecting himself.
Finish up with that hook at the end of a three-punch combination.
His right glove up real high.
Nice combination.
That's a foul. There's no quitting Magsayo. Hey, since. Now here's the 5th round. Look at that left hook to the triple go now, Joe. Oh, yeah, that was the first round. That was let him down. So it started off with the right uppercut.
Bago magsimula ang round, binigyan siya ng instruksyon ni Coach Freddie Roach na yakapin si Ceja sa malapitan upang maiwasang tamaan sa katawan at labanan ito mula sa distansya. Sinubukan ng tapusin ni Ceja ang laban gamit ang matitinding suntok sa katawan ni Magsayo.
Moving, using his angles from side to side to not allow Magsayo to have an even
Nice. That is exactly where Seha has to be to win this fight. Look at the body shot. Still a dangerous man. This is a test of his will. Get his hands.
Gamit ni Seha sa labang ito o malapit ang pag-atake gamit ang lakas. Sobrang epektibo nito para ma-set up ang body shot sa katawan ni Magsayo.
Sa patuloy na pag-iwas ni Magsayo sa mga suntok sa katawan, umaasa naman ang mga fans ni Ceja na muling babagsak ang ating Pinoy.
advantage by the right hand. To try to deter Seha and make him expend energy. Seha, though, the fact that he's
Force himself coming up shooting. On Magsayo. He'll be able to implement that little strategy from there.
Ngunit sa ikasiyam na round, unti-unting nakabawi si Magsayo at nakapagpatama ng matitinding kombinasyon mula sa malayo.
Well, you should be judging it that way, and I think Seha's pressure again.
does have, he's starting to show enough power to keep Seha quickly recovers after eating a big shot right. With the middle.
Hands go right. Indianapolis, Detroit is 14 now. Got to win over very game. One off the strategy. He wanted to teal on Fox. Jose Valenzuela. 5-6 punches.
I don't know, back in the corner trying to jam his way out. Right hand by Seha.
At sa ikasampung round, dito niya ginulat ang buong Amerika.
Now he comes right back to Seha, and now he might have Seha hurt. Bending over, jumps back in, and now it's a move.
Isang napakalakas na suntok mula kay Magsayo ang tumama kay Ceja, dahilan upang agad itong bumagsak at mawalan ng malay.
Fatality.
Diretso itong isinugod sa ospital upang masalba ang kanyang buhay. Sa inyo namang palagay, kaya ba ni Magsayo itong si Tank Davis? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa komento. At banggitin nyo na rin ang inyong lugar upang malaman natin saan na umabot ang talakayang ito.